40, 41, 42, 43. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are at Pick and Pull. Found something on the internet that's supposed to be here, so we're gonna see what we have. We're walking down. Oh, we're right here. Check it out. RX7. So as you know, we have an RX7 at the house. Need some parts for it. Looks like they destroyed the bumper, but we have some fenders and some other stuff. We're gonna go ahead and check this thing out, see what kind of parts we can steal off of it. Bring you guys along for the ride. What you think? That fender's coming quick.
Yeah, that's not gonna be too bad.
Sucks, the bumper is bad. That really sucks. I wanted that bumper.
Got a wrinkle down here. They did it too. That's the worst part. It wasn't wrinkled before. But the forklift got it.
Oh. How much do they cost? Let's check out the inside. The inside is pretty trashed. So what I'm needing is the fenders and probably the steering rack and pinion. It looks like power steering, best I can tell from here. But either way, I need a rack and pinion for mine. Let's see if we can get that out of here. So here we are trying to get the rack out, radiators out, sway bars out, bolts are out, lines are hooked up, the shaft is loose. Over here, hood looks nice and straight. 56 bucks for the hood, so I'm gonna get it even though I don't really need it.
Show them how heavy that thing is.
Oh yeah, this is the heaviest, not the heaviest hood ever. I know you couldn't see that because the camera's so close, but anyways, fenders, $50, inner fenders, $36 a piece. They're going back. We ain't getting that. Sway bar, don't know how much it is. I think the rack and pinion was 46, so that's why we're going after it. Let's go. All right, another full battery. Check this out. GoPro battery got hot, swole up, and when I tried to get it out, it pulled apart.
There you go, prop rod. Don't know if we need it or not, but we got it.
Let's get that rack out. Power rack and pinion. Got her out. Looks pretty decent. I'm in. What you think? Shaft, steering shaft?
Hard to really know.
Pretty good. I think we got all the good we're gonna get out of this car. We'll do a once over. Get out of here, get cleaned up. Our cart, we just threw stuff in here, literally.
Yeah.
So like a flashbang just went off and poof.
Tried to put some tools away every once in a while.
Did you?
Alright, it's a lie.
Okay. Camera keeps turning off, too hot. So what's next? I think we're good. We're loaded up here. Somebody's gonna carry the hood, somebody's gonna drag the cart here. Then see how much all are gonna cost. And David's watching a movie.
David's trying to see. So go back and
he's watching
video.
Yeah, he's watching the RX7 video.
What we may or may not need.
Yeah.
That's
one last walk around, then we'll get out of here. Woo! Back at the house. Got our parts laid out here. We went and grabbed us some lunch. It was awesome. Now we have parts. We have future hot rod. And I think we have a big score here. About to find out. So this hood is like super light, and we kept saying it's super light. Let's see if it's aluminum. Oh boy, that's an aluminum hood. Yeah, we're gonna save some weight there.
Well, let's compare
So
to
that one, oh yeah.
What's the magnet do over him?
So we just propped the hood open on this thing, and already tell it's way heavier. Look at that.
Oh, but that's framework. It
Oh
definitely
wow.
sticks there.
Yeah. So this hood, I'm gonna say, is half the weight, if not more, or less, I should say. So we have a new hood. We have fenders. I think the bumper in there is gonna be salvageable. We'll give it a shot. We have all the steering up to that coupler right there. So I got all that. It is power steering unit, but I'm gonna use it as manual. The fenders here, showed you earlier, we got a ding right there. Hammer and dolly that out. The rest of them look really good. There's the gear, steering gear. Got a battery box just because it was there. Sway bar, end links, all that looks good. All the bushings are on there. We got all the hardware to put all this stuff back on. We kept that. So, pretty excited about this. Hopefully. Thinking I'm gonna go ahead and pour some rocks out here. I need to park the boat back here as well, so thinking I'll pour some rocks back here and make this thing. Oh my gosh, it's a car. What?
Little adjustment to fix that door.
Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good.
We'll get there.
But man, good score today. What you think, David? I think we did very well.
Well, you know, so when the total came up, I think we both had a little bit of sticker shock.
Oh yeah, so it came out to $387 total.
And that's a lot more than I anticipated. I think that's more than you expected.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure whether or not we needed. I was like, you got a hood? Do we need a hood?
Yep. We bought the hood just as, hey, it's $45. Let's buy it just in case.
Yep. Yep.
Turns out this one's steel. This one has a hole in it, which I forgot about.
Yep.
That one's aluminum, so that is a huge score.
Yeah. And the thing is this one will still be. You can pass this one down the road. Sell
yeah.
It, you know.
Yeah.
And if you get your, you know, 50, 60 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever.
Yep.
You know, get some money out of this one, send it down the road to help somebody else, and you got the better aluminum hood moving forward. So,
dude, I think we did good.
Yeah, that's gonna work out just fine.
Yeah. It's got a fender on it.
I'm gonna put the other one on.
What?
Then you have to find somewhere for them to go.
What? Just put one bolt in them? Call it good?
I mean,
it's hot as balls out here.
It is really hot. Push the car up there in the shade and do this.
Yeah.
I mean, we got all these leaves and stuff. Yeah, boom. There's basically where it's gonna lie.
What in the world? So we need an impact to put the hood on, is what you're saying?
Yeah, I think we'll go ahead and put the hood on it, dude.
Alright. Went ahead and threw our lightweight aluminum hood on here, and I think adding the fenders and swapping out the steel hood for the aluminum hood is going to weigh the same as the steel hood with no fenders. I think we'd save that much weight. Right now what I'm doing, we're going to throw the fenders on here temporarily. I have some CRC 400. Just going to spray on this, try to protect it some. Come back later and actually repair this. That bug does not like CRC 400. So things have happened. We said, let's just throw the fenders on it. So we did. Then we said, let's just throw the hood on it so we don't have to store it somewhere and get dented. So we did. And then we said, let's put the rack and pinion in it.
We were like, where are we going to store the rack and pinion?
Where are we going to store the rack and pinion?
In the car, of course.
And David knows where the latch is. I don't. So there it is. The rack and pinion's in. So now I went ahead and put the steering wheel that came back in it. Steering wheel that came in it back in it. And it does turny things. Can you see it? Can you see
Well,
it?
more importantly,
It steers.
you can control the steer. It would do turny things before. It just did it
turny things.
whatever it wanted to
But
do.
it looks like a car. So these only have like 3 bolts in it.
Yeah.
This we just threw on there, just because. So it's not straight. It's got some kind of, like he put undercoating on it or something. I don't know. But it's way better.
And we even set the front bumper cover on just for a minute.
Oh, we set the toe and the no, not really.
No. No.
I assume the toe was set on it already since we bought it out of a running driving car.
It ran when parked, right?
Ran when parked the car. That's what I meant.
Yeah, it's fine.
But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for today, I think. My hat got some new marks in it. New rainbow sweats.
Sweaty. Woo! Mine didn't get any new sweat. That's a lie. Old rainbow car.
Wrap it up for him, David.
That's it. I got nothing else. Hey, I don't know. You gotta take the Hemney Racing little Dorito sticker off.
Oh, we need a big Dorito sticker.
This thing will never.
Can't afford Doritos.
It won't be a Dorito any longer. All right, that's it. Till next time.
Later, guys.